Garlic. Keeps away vampires. Garlic powder from Ralph's. Keeps away vampires and also lets you know if you have COVID. You really do some social distancing. If you stink a bit, people stay away from you. I'm gonna sneeze now. Uh-oh, might have been the garlic. Wait. Oh, or maybe I have COVID. Is sneeze out? That's a symptom. Is that something? How many times am I gonna sneeze? Ooh, like the head's spinning. That's all I have to say. I think I covered it all.